what is the relationship between Google search engine and keyword research. So, carrying forward our further research, I would like to show you today how to generate infinite keyword ideas for your blog content and website. So, today we will be using a tool known as keywordtool.io. It's a very well-known tool. So it is used for generating different kind of keyword ideas. So once you use the tool, you would be having a knowledge about it. So let's move forward. So if you want to search for keyword ideas for any kind of platform, be it Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram, Twitter, so you can use keywordtool.io. So if you notice the common thing in between, they are all kind of search engines. Some are social networking platforms, some are Google Play Store, some are shopping platform, some are search engine platform, some are video platforms. So what if we want to search and generate new ideas for our topic? So let's search and generate keyword ideas for a topic, for any kind of random topic. We take now search engine optimization. Suppose we have to write a blog about search engine optimization, right? So here we feed this keyword to the keyword tool, and here is the target country as well as the language. So we have selected United States English. Okay, excited about the result? Here you go. Let's wait and watch. So are you excited about the results? Yep. So what we have received? We have received 257 unique keywords, means 257 unique ideas for this search topic, search engine optimization. So how to utilize all the search results? So what you have to do, you can copy all the keyword ideas by using copy to keyword, and then you can paste it here. So you get all kind of keyword ideas here, starting from search engine optimization definition, Google, techniques, course, cost, meaning, assessment, right? You also get different kinds of searches, 257 kind of searches, 257 kind of ideas for your topic. So do you know that why we are getting such large amount of search results for your topic, search engine optimization? It's because people are searching this kind of query in Google search engine. Okay, so now we will be using a second tool, answerthepublic.com. It's kind of similar platform just like keywordtool.io, but the representation of ideas is somewhat different. So, okay, let's go for it. Now we have put the search for our topic on Answer the Public. So here you go. We are still about to get search results. Yes, we have received the search results, and it says search engine optimization 66 questions, right? So if you see, this is the graphical way of representing the kind of questions that are related to your topic. These are the kind of ideas that you can use for your blog or website or any kind of content. So if you read that, starting from who does your search engine optimization, right? Which can can how can search engine optimization help your business? Where to use search engine optimization? So what you have to do, you have to download these files having all the 66 search results. So you get the search result in the Excel sheet. Okay, so here it is. You are get to see all kind of search results starting from questions category, reposition category, comparison category, comparison in the sense search engine optimization and Google AdWords, search engine and optimization and how it works, search engine optimization and Google Analytics, and it has 200 different alphabetical other kind of search options starting from the letter A to Z, right? So don't you have large number of keywords so that are sufficient for your blogs? So in this way, we have received more than 600 keyword ideas for your topic today. So this is sufficient for you to use these keyword ideas in your blogs. So isn't it sufficient for everything? So there might be keywords which are of no use. We have to shortlist them also. But anyways, in this lesson, we have learned how to use these two tools, keywordtool.io and answerthepublic.com, for generating infinite keyword ideas. So again tomorrow we will be using Google Ads, and in Google Ads we will be using Google Google Keyword Tool. Yes, you heard it right. It's Google Keyword Tool. We will be feeding all the keywords here in Google Keyword Tool, and we will be predicting that which kind of keywords would bring the right kind of traffic without using any kind of ads. Yes, you heard it right. Without using any kind of ads, you will be using these keywords to bring traffic to your website or blog. So all the best. See you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot.